In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Then you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to manage your text, you can hold it, pin it or unpin it, and delete it. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher over here, and to go back, tap on the same arrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!